My dear students, now I am going to explain variation of conductance, conductivity, molar conductivity and equivalent conductivity on dilution or concentration. Variation of conductance, conductivity, molar conductivity and equivalent conductivity on dilution or concentration. See, first let me explain variation of conductance on dilution. See, conductance, it is denoted by G. Conductance is nothing but the capacity of material to conduct electricity or the ease of mobility of ions is called conductance. If the ease of mobility of ions is more, then conductance will be more, which is nothing but ease of mobility of ions. Ease of mobility of ions. See, on dilution, ease of mobility of ions increases because distance between the ions increases. Distance between the ions increases, then attraction forces between the ions decrease, then mobility of ions increases. Therefore, conductance increases. See, I am taking one electrolytic solution. This is one electrolytic solution. That electrolyte is AB. That AB electrolyte contains A plus ions and B minus ions. That AB electrolyte contains A plus ions and B minus ions. Between these ions, there are attraction forces. This solution on dilution volume increases. After dilution, distance between the ions increases. Distance between the ions increases. Distance between the ions increase means attraction forces between the ions decrease. Attraction forces decrease means ease of mobility of ions increase. Ease of mobility of ions increase. That's why conductance increases. On dilution, distance between the ions increase. As distance between the ions increase, attraction forces decrease. Then ease of mobility of ions increase. Therefore, conductance increases. So, conclusion is conductance increases. Conductance increases on dilution. Conductance increases on dilution, or conductance increases with a decrease in concentration. Conductance increases with a decrease in concentration. See, we know that on dilution, concentration of the electrolytic solution decreases. On dilution, concentration of the electrolytic solution decreases. So, conductance increase on dilution, or conductance increase with decrease in concentration. Dilution increase means concentration decreases. So, this is conductance, variation of conductance on dilution. Next, conductivity. This one, conductivity. It is denoted by kappa. Conductivity, variation of conductivity on dilution. I am taking one electrolyte. Let us take 1 milliliter of electrolytes. This is just, let us assume 1 milliliter of electrolytic solution. See, first, what is conductivity? Conductance of 1 milliliter of electrolytic solution is called conductivity. Conductivity is nothing but conductance of 1 milliliter of electrolytic solution. Conductance of 1 milliliter of electrolytic solution is called conductivity. I am taking AB electrolyte, which on ionization gives A plus ions and B minus ions. Just let us assume if that 1 milliliter of electrolytic solution contains 10 AB molecules, then on ionization 10 A plus ions, 10 B minus ions will be produced. Total 20 ions are there. In 1 milliliter, total 20 ions are there. See which on dilution? This electrolytic solution on dilution. Just let us assume its volume is doubled. After addition of solvent, if it is 2 milliliters of solution. Even here also A plus ions and B minus ions are there. After dilution, volume is 2 milliliters. In 2 milliliters, number of ions 20 only. Number of ions, total 20 ions only. See, because here we are adding only solvents. We are not adding electrolytes. On dilution is nothing but solvent is added. We are not adding electrolytes. So total volume of solution is 22 milliliters. In the 2 milliliters, 20 ions are present. In 2 milliliters, 20 ions means in 1 milliliter, how many ions? 10 ions only. Before dilution, in 1 milliliter of electrolytic solution, 20 ions are there. But after dilution, in 1 milliliter, 10 ions only. That means number of ions per unit volume. Number of ions per unit volume decreases. Number of ions per unit volume decreases means conductance decreases. Conductivity is nothing but conductance of 1 milliliter of electrolytic solution. Conductance of 1 milliliter of electrolytic solution. If number of ions per unit volume decreases, on dilution, number of ions per unit volume decreases, then conductivity decreases. So because number of ions per unit volume decreases means, as number of ions per unit volume decreases, number of ions carrying current decreases. Number of ions carrying current decreases, therefore conductivity decreases. So conclusion, conductivity decreases on dilution. Conductivity decreases on dilution, or conductivity decreases with a decrease in concentration. This is a variation of conductivity on dilution. Next, molar conductivity. Variation of molar conductivity. That molar conductivity is denoted by lambda m. Variation of molar conductivity on dilution. So we know this formula. Molar conductivity is equal to kappa into 1000 by molarity. Molar conductivity of electrolytic solution. Lambda m is equal to K into 1000 by molarity. Here this kappa is nothing but conductivity or specific conductance. This kappa is conductivity or specific conductance. This m is molarity of the electrolytic solution. Instead of this 1000 by m, we can write volume. This 1000 by m is nothing but volume only. Kappa into volume. In molar conductivity derivation formula, already I have explained this one. Molar conductivity derivation formula, I have explained already. This 1000 by m is nothing but volume of electrolytic solution only, V only. See, on dilution, Already we know that on dilution, this kappa value, this conductivity value decreases. On dilution, K value decreases. At the same time, volume increases. On dilution, K value decreases, V value increases, volume increases. But increase in volume is greater than decrease in kappa value. Increase in volume is more than decrease in kappa value. Therefore, molar conductivity increases. Molar conductivity increases on dilution. On dilution, kappa value decreases, but volume increases. Volume of electrolytic solution increases. But this increase in volume is greater than decrease in kappa value. Increase in V value is greater than decrease in kappa value. Increase in V value is greater than decrease in kappa value. Therefore, molar conductivity increases on dilution. Molar conductivity increases on dilution. This kappa decreases only, but at the same time volume increases, but increase in V is greater than decrease in kappa value. Therefore, molar conductivity increases on dilution. Or molar conductivity increases with decrease in concentration. Molar conductivity increases with decrease in concentration. This is variation of molar conductivity on dilution. Next, variation of equivalent conductivity. Variation of equivalent conductivity on dilution. This molar conductivity is nothing but conductance of 1 mole of electrolytic solution, 1 mole of ions. Conductance of 1 mole of ions. Conductance of 1 mole of ions. But equivalent conductivity is nothing but conductance of 1 equivalent weight. 1 equivalent weight of ions. Conducting power of all the ions produced by dissolving 1 mole of an electrolyte. 1 mole of an electrolyte. But here, conducting power of all the ions produced by dissolving 1 equivalent weight of an electrolyte. Formula of that equivalent conductivity, lambda eq is equal to kappa into 1000 by normality. Even this formula also already I have explained. This 1000 by n is nothing but volume only. Lambda eq is equal to kappa into volume. This 1000 by n is nothing but volume of electrolytic solution only. So equivalent conductivity is equal to kappa into volume. So on dilution, this K value, already we know that on dilution K value decreases but V value increases. So increase in V value is greater than decrease in K value. That's why equivalent conductivity also increases. On dilution, K value, kappa value decreases but V value increases. Increase in V value is greater than decrease in kappa value. Therefore, Same explanation. Increase in V value is greater than decrease in K value. Therefore, equivalent conductivity increases on dilution. Equivalent conductivity increases on dilution. Or equivalent conductivity increases with a decrease in concentration. With a decrease in concentration. This is the variation of conductance, conductivity, molar conductivity and equivalent conductivity on dilution or on concentration. See first this conductance G value. Conductance increases on dilution. Conductance increases on dilution because on dilution number of ions attraction between the ions decreases because on dilution distance between the ions increases. As the distance between the ions increases, attraction forces between the ions decreases. Then ease of mobility of ions increases. Therefore conductance increases. Conductance increases on dilution. Next conductivity. Conductivity decreases on dilution. Conductivity decreases on dilution because on dilution number of ions per unit volume decreases. This conductivity nothing but conductance of 1 milliliter of electrolytic solution. On dilution number of ions per unit volume decreases. Then conductivity decreases. As the number of ions per unit volume decreases means as the number of ions per unit volume decreases, current carrying capacity decreases. Therefore conductivity decreases. Next molar conductivity. Molar conductivity increases on dilution. Molar conductivity increases on dilution because molar conductivity formula K into V, kappa into V. Kappa value decreases but V value increases, but increase in V value is greater than decrease in K value, decrease in kappa value. Therefore molar conductivity increases. Next equivalent conductivity. Equivalent conductivity increases on dilution. Equivalent conductivity increases on dilution because kappa value decreases but V value increases. Increase in V is greater than decrease in kappa value. Therefore equivalent conductivity increases. Only this conductivity decreases on dilution.